Hello, Realtor partners and friends. I'm Stacy, the Loan Lady, and I want to start making Mortgage Mondays specifically for my Realtor friends. Someday they will be prettier than this, but today this is what we're getting. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the market. So right now, rates are incredible. They're literally the lowest they have ever been since caveman. It's incredible. I personally am refinancing right now, if that tells you anything. So the reason why I bring that up is because when rates are incredibly low, it also helps your buyers purchase more home because their rate is lower, their payment's lower, they can qualify for more home. So that's just something to consider right now. The other thing I want to let you know is, and this is a vast generalization, so don't call me out for this, but basically, the worse things get, the lower rates go. And with our relationship with China and with COVID and not knowing what's going on, and now we're heading into hurricane and fire season, rates are going to stay really low. They just are. However, for any of your clients who are waiting, or if you're waiting, I think rates are about as low as they're going to get. And let me explain why. I think overall the market rates can get lower in general. But what happens, so there is currently $3 trillion projected to close in purchases and refinances in 2020. And as an industry, we've never closed more than 2 trillion. So we have generally the same amount of people closing more than 30% more loans. And so their turn times are slower, which is fine as long as that expectation is set. For my refis, I typically close in 15 to 20 days. Right now, I'm at about 25 to 30. And for purchases, it's probably about the same. But the reason why I bring this up is because even though rates are so good and they may continue to get better, what happens when a lender, so I'm a broker, so I can take it to different lenders, right? I can take it to QLMS, which is Quicken. I can take it to UWM, United Wholesale Mortgage. I can take it to Caliber. What happens when there's too much volume is those lenders will adjust their pricing. And so they will adjust their pricing and say, even though the rate should be here, we're going to put it right here so that we can take as many loans as we think that we can actually close because we only have this much manpower. And so I think that rates will continue to get better, but because of volume, they're going to stay about the same. So if you have somebody looking to refinance, tell them to go ahead and move forward with it. And anyone looking to purchase, and if they're waiting for a crash, I personally don't think it's going to happen in Utah. We're still seeing homes in the 300s and 400s and 500s go under contract like this. And there's just not enough, this is a personal opinion here, there's just not enough inventory to sustain a crash. We might actually go into a healthier market. You may agree with me or disagree with me on that, but I just think if you have clients who are waiting to purchase because they are waiting for rates to go lower or for the market to crash so that pricing will go lower, I just don't think it's going to happen. And if they're waiting for rates to go lower to refinance, there's no reason to wait. We are already at the bottom of the market. We are the lowest rates since caveman. So just wanted to give you that information. If you ever have any questions for me, please reach out. My email is stacytheloanlady@gmail.com or shoot me a text at 385-999-0987. I hope you have a great Monday. Thanks.